If you live in Reading, we all know about the three Bs, beer, bulbs and biscuits, but have you ever wondered what they really mean? Everyone knows Huntley and Palmer's, some know H&G Simmons, the Reading brewery, but very few know of Suttons Sons. This bulbs business were pioneers in their field, leading the trend in postal seed packets which made gardening available for all. So, what is a seed catalogue? A seed catalogue is a pamphlet that lists the seeds available for purchase from a particular plant nursery, which is a place where young plants and seeds are cultivated for sale. The history of seed catalogues dates all the way back to 1612 in the Netherlands, but our focus is on the history of British ones. Seed catalogues were initially used for gardeners of large manor houses, with lists of Latin flowers sprawling for pages. Words such as narcissus were common, but only decodable for a select few gardeners who knew all about their properties. Seed catalogues act as a timestamp for important historical events, with the war being characterised by advertising for vegetables and the increased consumerism of the 1960s causing changes in the delivery of plants. As we move through our timeline, seed catalogues become far more accessible for the general public. Suttons Seeds is a perfect local example of these catalogues. So, a brief history of Suttons. Suttons Sons was founded on King Street, beside the Butter Market in Reading Town Centre. It grew into a great enterprise, with its premises even having a fire station and stables. By 1840, Suttons had developed a laboratory to ensure high-quality seeds were sold. Suttons became a household name for seeds, even receiving royal patronage, which is where they become suppliers to the monarch. Later, Suttons moved to Devon, but they left a lasting impact on Reading. Why are plant catalogues relevant? Like many thriving industrial businesses, plant nurseries are inherently linked to colonialism. We can trace the British Empire's movements through when new tropical seeds were introduced for the first time, which gives us a fascinating insight. The protection of the environment is at the forefront of our minds, and unexpectedly, we can look to seed catalogues for solutions. In plant catalogues' early days, seedlings were carefully packaged and posted. They would then get to the consumer in a matter of days via horses, railways and walking. No next-day delivery plant pots, no unnecessary carbon emissions. Gardeners bought what they needed and received lightweight packages in return. Perfect. So why on earth did it change?